What we did is we helped deploy a hardware-agnostic platform on top of the investment you already did in automatic vehicle monitoring systems, with the main purpose of increasing the data accuracy of two particular sources of data. One, and actually a study from the French Transdev operator, Transdev, said that passengers, more than 90% of passengers care to know in real time when the bus is going to arrive. And that's the most critical factor in order to shift people to take public transport instead of vehicles. So this is the ETAs. And the second number is the actual time a bus passed through each single of these stops, because later you can analyze punctuality, runtime analysis, speed analysis to make BRT. So the idea is, without having to reinvest, protecting your investment already in the ABM system, you can obtain faster results. A really public case study we did recently with our partner RTA Dubai is we increased by 24% the accuracy of when the bus arrives to the next stop, and we facilitate this in open data standards, such as GTFS-realtime, and we integrated this source of data in Google Maps, in Apple Maps, and our journey planner. So if you check in Google Maps when the bus is going to arrive in Dubai, this is the type of data that a data platform can provide. So long story short, you protect your investment, you utilize that, and in few weeks, you can already deliver better quality data. That is what actually the passenger cares.